Welcome to Arrange Wave. Today we're talking about adjusting your MIDI pitch. So I just tracked myself noodling on a Rhodes. Here it is. In previous versions of Ableton, if you wanted to adjust your MIDI pitch, you had to open the MIDI clip, move the little notes around, but I'm going to show you a super easy way with the stock plugin. So go to MIDI effects, pitch, and then I'm just going to hit the -12. There it is. Let's listen to it. And then once you have this preset in, you can move it around to whatever pitch you want. So I'm going to go, let's see, -5 here. And it's going to change keys. You can pitch it up. So I'm going to go to +5 by just moving this dial around. Super useful feature that I know I'll be using a ton. I hope this video helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed or what we could talk about next.